I'm videoing this.
Oh, it's right in the brambles.
Hang on and let Greg get behind it to cut it off. He has Dawson with him?
Yeah.
Okay, I see him. Girl, easy.
How did the birds not get tipped off by the color?
That bird should be right in between us, Greg. Tara, easy. Easy, girl. All right, Tara. All right. All right. There it goes. Very nice shot. That was awesome, Jake. Jake did. That was a great shot.
I wanted to shoot before. She's over there looking for it. I wanted to shoot before it.
Where did it go?
Down here in the weeds. On the left.
She couldn't mark it. Tara, up here, girl. Here, girl.
He's practicing. You don't know it.
Here, girl. Tara, here. Over here, girl. Come. Come.
That's a line from one of our favorite movies, Dad. He probably knows the movie, Jake. Oh.
Come on, Tara.
That did not sound friendly. That was water.
Tara, ho. Good girl, dead bird. Up here. Atta girl, find it.
Oh my gosh, I was so jumpy. I wanted to squeeze the trigger before it cleared the trees. I was like, ah.
See if she finds it.
I hear something flying.
Man, it's so thick in here. Atta girl, good girl, come.
It's still alive.
Hold. Thank you, Tara. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl.